Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a privacy policy for your custom GPT. So if you ever try to create a GPT and you included actions into it, at the very bottom, you have to have a privacy policy, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. But it won't let you publish your GPT to the GPT store without having a privacy policy. So I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way and free way to go ahead and get this privacy policy that you're looking for. So let me share my screen. So here we are. Here's a custom GPT that I've built. Obviously, you're going to be building something and you're going to add in this privacy policy whenever, you're done building. But this is something I've already built. I'm just going to show you an example of how you can create this privacy policy. So we're going to go in here and edit the GPT like we're just creating it now. And we're getting ready to create that privacy policy. You can see here, let me go back. So, obviously you have your name, description, instructions, conversation starters, knowledge files, capabilities. Then you have actions. So if you want to implement actions, actions are really cool because you can call API endpoints and have these GPTs like some powerhouse tools instead of just like the basic GPT that you are all aware of. Most of you, not saying everyone, but so here we're going to go into one of these actions that I've already built out. And here we are, we have a privacy policy at the bottom. So if you go to actually create this or go to, update this GPT and you don't include a privacy policy, it will not let you publish it to the store. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a privacy policy super quick. So you can throw it right down here in this link. You're not gonna have to pay anything to do this, right? So we're gonna head on over. We're gonna go to Google Sites, and this is gonna be your best friend because you really don't need a full-blown website for your privacy policy. You can add it in your own website that you have if you're interested in doing that. But if you don't have a website and you're creating GPTs, this is the best way to go about that, okay? So we're gonna open this up. Here's all the sites. We're gonna go to a blank site at the top left. And you see we have this header, and then we have the bottom part here. This is super simple. So my GPT is called AI text to speech, right? So we're just going to say AI text to speech, GPT privacy policy. And this is where it gets even better. Okay. So you can have it look any way you want. You can keep it super simple because most of the time people aren't even reading these privacy policies off of a custom GPT. They're literally just using your GPT. But if they do decide they want to look at your privacy policy, this is what you need to have in there. Okay. So all we're going to do is we're going to come down here. We're going to add a text box. Super simple. We're going to open up another window. We're going to go to ChatGPT. We are going to say, if my computer loads today, we're going to say, I am creating a custom GPT that converts text into speech, right? I don't collect any information like email, etc. when a user uses this, okay? I need a detailed privacy policy. And you can add in any information you want. Here, let's fix this one. We even know how to spell today. You can add in any information you want to have this privacy policy reflect on what you need. But just for something basic, I'm going to show you this. So I need a detailed privacy policy about my custom GPT AI text to speech, right? So here you're going to go. It's going to give you a privacy policy. It's going to start working. Last updated. Okay, so I'm going to stop it real quick. I'm just going to say today's date is 10/13/2024, and the GPT name is AI text to speech. So it's going to create this privacy policy. This is very basic. You can have whatever you want here. Obviously, you're going to want to proofread this, but you can tell that it doesn't, it says information we do not collect, email addresses, names, or identifying information, IP addresses, geolocation data, any other personal or sensitive data, because we're literally just letting people use a GPT. We're not collecting any data on them, okay? Talks about how the service works, no tracking, third-party services, security, changes the privacy policy, and contact us. You're going to want to put your email in there or whatever you have for them to contact you at. Oops. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to copy this down. I'm going to add in my email. When I paste it in, we're going to copy this over, Control C, or you can just right click and copy. And then you just come right in here and paste it in, right? So questions, contact us, contact at Viral Wave Studio. It's just simple, guys. It is literally this simple. So it doesn't look good. You know what I mean? you can have it look any way you want. You know, you can embed custom code in Google Sites, everything like that. But this is really all you need. So we're gonna go ahead and name this site AI text to speech privacy policy, right? Publish. So you're gonna see who can view my site, right? We're just gonna change this. We're going to change it to public. Okay, anyone with a link. I don't even think you need to change the draft aspect, but there you go. So click done. That's your web address. You're going to click publish. There you go. So it's published. And now we are literally just going to copy publish site link. It's right here. This little link button, copy link. Okay. Come back over to your GPT, paste it in there in the privacy policy. And you are going to click update and you are good to go. That is really it. So see, publish on GPT Store. You need that privacy policy in order to actually publish the GPT Store. So I told you it's going to be a short video, right to the point, super simple. Take advantage of Google Sites for your privacy policies. It is definitely recommended. Have a good one, everyone. Take it easy.